Hi guys, subscribe to our channel vvram ADM. My name is Venkatram. In this video, we will learn launching of AWS Linux EC2 Instance. To perform this activities, go to the EC2 console. First, we have to log into EC2 console. Then after, make sure your region is particular region is correct or not. Then after, select your services. Then after, in the console you can select the services. After that, we select the EC2 services. It will take to the EC2 dashboard. Then after, go to EC2 instance and select EC2 instance. Then after, we configure the instance like AMI network configurations and subnet, IAM role and tendency and user data. Okay, after that we give the user data. This user data is whenever we launch the instance, the changes or the installation softwares or happens in the which the data we give in the user data. That means we give the text or the script or a bash script in the user data or batch script. For the Linux machine, we give the bash script to perform the activities using user data. After that, we will add the volumes. And to what are the uses of the volume means volume is helpful to maintain the persistence of the data. After that, we will add tags. After that, we will add security groups, and we make the inbound outbound rules. After that, we launch the instance and download the key pairs, and thereafter we will access our instance using movie extreme. Okay, let us go to demo session. Okay, make sure your region is correct or not, or ensure this one. If it is correct region, you want to launch the particular instance in particular region. My region is Mumbai AP South 1, and go to EC2 services. Thereafter, go to instances. Thereafter, click on launch instances. Here we have the choose the AMI Amazon mission image. Mission image is nothing but a template consisting of the software configurations like operating system, application, and required to launch your instance. And we can select our AMIs by means of my AMIs. If you created your AMI, you can launch from our my AMIs, or you can require any software from marketplace. You can select that one here, and after that there is a community AMIs Amazon mission images. Okay, we go quick start. As of now, we select free tier, and we are selecting the Amazon Linux 2 AMI with the kernel version 4.4. okay, select. After that, instance types. Here instance is the types. We have the general type, compute optimize, GPU, memory optimize, and storage optimize. General optimize is for the moderate optimization. There is the computer optimizer is using if you have the need high performance, then we use compute optimized. GPU is for graphical any graphical if you need a graphic card, then we'll go with the GPU. If you require memory optimized, then you go with the memory optimized type of instance. Storage in the sense if you require storage, high storage for your databases, or right, for those type of storage instance we can select the storage. As of now we select general purpose, thereafter configure the instance details. Okay, here the configuration of the instance details. Number of instance, we can launch the n number of instance. If you want to launch 2 instance, you can give 2 number. As of now we are required 1, so I giving 1 instance. If you want to purchase the spot instance, here you can purchase, and you can select your network. As of now I am selecting the VV or VPC, and after that I am selecting the my public subnet because I want to launch the web server instance. So I am selecting the public subnet, and I want to assign the public auto assign public IP address. I am enabling that one. If you want to reserve the capacity, you can reserve the capacity. If you want to assign IAM role, you can assign. IAM role is nothing but it giving permission to the service to access the other services. Shutdown behavior, if you stop the instance, you can terminate. Want to terminate, you can make sure we can make the terminate, but if we want to shutdown behavior is stop. After that enable termination protection. If any accidental anybody want to terminate our instead or unexpectedly, to enable the termination protection to accidental actions to protect from that one. As of now we are not using that one. Monitoring, if you want to enable monitoring, detail monitor CloudWatch having of the two features. One is the basic, it now charge for the basic monitoring. If it is coming to enabling watching of the detail monitoring, AWS charge for enabling the detail monitoring. Tendency, coming to tendency, shared, we can using the shared, we launch our instances in a shared data centers, whereas the dedicated it comes under the, they give you a physical server for you to launch your instance. It the banking projects or banking servers mostly use dedicated servers. As of now we are using sharing servers for tendency. Okay, leave the as it is all, and it's showing that network device name there, devices, and thereafter advanced details. In that we have the text a file to give the user data. As of now, as per we have the bash script, right? We will copy that bash script and copy there, paste there. This is our bash script. It is it telling the bash which action to perform, and give the metadata to perform the task. And it is the m-install httpd. It is using m command install the httpd, and systemctl start enable http, in the sense whenever you stop or start the instance, it will automatically start your services, or whenever you reboot, systemctl start http service, in the sense it will start your services after installation of your httpd. After we will add storage. See, we can make the changes for our storage as per our requirement. As of now we are leaving storage 8. This is our root device, /dev xdvda is the device. Here is the input output operations for the general purpose SSD. We can make provision IP if it is highly required for the performance, high performance. If we required for the EVs, we can select provisioned IVPs SSD. If we want low cost, we can opt for the magnetic standard. Okay, as of now we want a moderate performance, so we are using general purpose SSD. Okay, next add tags. Previous, if you need another new volume, you can add as per your requirement, but as of now we are not required another volume. Okay, add nest tags. Name, I want to give name my web server 1. Okay, security configuration, you can create the new security group here, or otherwise you can if you want to give new security group and make these rules as per your requirement. As of now I am using existing security group instance security group. See, in that we have port number we have port http and port is 8080 and source is from anywhere in the world and SSH, and we can access this instant using port number 22. Okay, if you want to create the security group, let us create the security group web sg1. I want to create security group, right? I want to access anywhere from the world. I want to add the rule 80 and it is http. Okay, and anywhere from the world because I want to launch the web server, right? Then after review, then after review you can see the review and AMI details. Okay, it is a free tier Amazon Linux and it is a HVM. It is in the sense hardware virtualization. There is we will discuss about the virtualization. What is two types of virtualizations is there, and we here we see the instance type, thereafter security group and the security group rules and type and rule type SSH and HTTP and port number 22 and 80, and they are accessed from the from the world, anywhere from the world. Thereafter instant details. Okay, this is the instant details and it is our network card interface, and thereafter storage. You can see our storage 8 GB we given. Then after tag and launch. As of now you can choose existing key pair or you can create a new key pair. Okay, create new key pair, give your new key pair name and download from here. As of now I don't want to key pair, I have the key pair, existing key pair. My key pair name is web key acknowledge and launch instance. Okay, go to your instance. It is running, right? It needs some time to launch. See here your public IP is oh, it is present public. Let us see, wait for a while, it is for running, up and running. Okay, we selected web server 1, it is our running server name. See, this is our public IP, and copy this IP and check whether it is web server is installed or not. Yes, it is installed and giving the test phase, right? And let us access to our instance. This is our public IP. Go to your movie key, movie extreme, start session, SSH, copy our public IP. Thereafter your user, for a default user from the, for Amazon Linux is EC2 user. Thereafter advanced, use key pair, and I will giving path of my key pair Here is my key pair, web keepem open. Thereafter click on OK. I access to my EC2 instance. See my IP address. This is the IP address of my server. Clear. ifconfig. Okay. It's showing that here 192.168 is the private IP address. Okay. Clear. And we can see there here it is our private IP, right? And our public IP is 3.6.4072. It will keep on changes. Whether it is 192.168 1.156 is there or not, you check here. Okay, it is 192.168.1.156. okay, is it correct or not? Okay, correct. Okay, let us see the our services is running or not. Status http pd. You can see where your service is running. HTTP server is up and running. Okay.